Today we will be discuss on the composite materials topics. I am Dr. Harjit Pawar, Associate Professor in S&D College of Engineering and Research Center, Yeola. Today we will be discuss the introduction to composite material, in which the detail of classification of composite. In last lecture we have discussed the classification. Today's classification is based on the reinforcement. Composite can also be classified based on the type of reinforcement which is embedded in the matrix space. They are: first is the particle reinforced, viscous reinforced, fiber reinforced, and structural types. The figure shows particle, viscous, fiber, and structural types. The particle composite consists of particles of one material dispersed in matrix. Right? Number second, viscous reinforced composites are composites reinforced with short fiber. Fiber reinforced polymer means FRP. Also, fiber reinforced plastic is a composite material made up of polymer matrix reinforced with fibers. Composite structures consist of several layers. Materials are stitched together. Now, turn to first particle reinforced composites. Particle reinforced composites might fall in any one of the category. There are two. One is large particle composites. It consists of high fraction of large size hard particle embedded in a relatively soft matrix. Number second is dispersed strength composites. It consists of extremely small size particles dispersed at low concentration, which increase the matrix attraction at the atomic level, thereby enhancing the strength. There are figures shows the large particle composites and dispersed strength composites. In the large particle, the particle is a maximum size matrix large particle. Here, in second one, dispersion, the nano size particles and matrix. Next one is the fiber reinforced composites. Fiber reinforced composites are the types of engineered materials which exhibits high strength weight and modulus per weight ratio compared with some metallic materials. Some on the physical structure of the reinforced fiber, it is classified further as continuous and discontinuous fibers. The figure shows the various types of fiber composites. Here, the particle reinforced composite structure, sheet molded, fiber reinforced. Fiber reinforced is two: continuous and discontinuous. Continuous having unidirectional and bidirectional, and discontinuous is aligned and randomly oriented. These are the fiber reinforced. Next one is the structural composites. It is engineering product made from plastics, wood, glass, or carbon fibers materials. The forms or extracted products have application at outdoor deck flowers, railing, fences, landscape timers, cladding, sliding, molding, trims, and windows or door frames. Structural composites can be classified into two types. One is the laminate composites, another one is the sandwich composites. First is a laminated composite. A laminated composite figure shows the two fiber reinforced composites and then the finished product of this fiber reinforced, which is laminated. A laminated composite material is a class of FRP composites, consists of several layers of composites, mixture of fibers and matrix. Each layer may have similar or dissimilar material properties with different fiber orientation under varying stacking sequences. Next one is the sandwich panels. In the sandwich panel, structure consists of two face sheets and core structure. Face sheets are separated by the core structure which provides support for them. The main goal of a core structure is to increase flexural stiffness of the entire sandwich structure with very little weight gain. The figure shows the adhesive honeycomb face sheet, which is called as skin, and then how the sandwich is produced with the help of these various types. Thank you.